Alright, so let's look at this exercise on pricing. This is step number 11. The goal is to reach 50 points, which is $4,000. The profit for the last period is actually a loss of 3,000 something dollar. So let's have a look how we can do this quickly. First of all, I'm going to look at all my fixed costs and my desired profit. I'm going to write my desired profit in a little Excel sheet that I prepared right here. And I'm going to go into the report, income statement, and look at the last period, which is here, and look at the fixed costs. So we have one line on staffing, which is clearly fixed. It's every month the same, 5,550. So I'm going to put it right here. 5,550. Then I have depreciation, which is in this line, 55. Building lease, 529. Marketing, which is 1,130. So I'm going to sum this, and this is the amount that I found, 11,294. This is basically the amount that needs to be paid or provided by the contribution margin in my sales, right? So what I need to do next is to anticipate the number of guests that I will have for the upcoming period. So what I will do is I will go into a report. I'll look at product mix, and here this is the quantity sold. Yeah, this is the total number of entrees that was sold, 1,100 and something. I look at also the drinks, 1,001. It's the same number here. Yeah. So I'm going to look at what was the week before. Also 1,146. Same thing here. Go look at the last 3 weeks. Yeah, 1,102, and so on. So I see that we always have about a little over 1,100 entrees sold and 1,100 beverages sold. So what I'm going to do is here is factor this 1,100, yes, and I want to do is, if I divide contribution margin needed by the number of items sold, I get $10.26. This is the margin that I need to make to pay for my fixed cost and reach a desired profit of 4,000. So if I do say have 1,100 customers, which was what happened the last 3 weeks, I should be able to do that. Alright, so now what happened is this figure, $10.26, has to be distributed somehow between the beverages and the food. So what I plan to do is give an average of $2 margin for the beverage, and then here it's going to be this total minus 2, and that's it. So that's going to be the average margin that I will factor for every entrees on the menu. Alright, so I'm going to enter a formula here. This is the food cost. I factored this before. Food cost plus standard margin. I'll put a F4 here, and that's it. That's going to be basically my pricing. So I put basically the same margin for every food item. Yeah, so it is very different from the strategy proposed in the test. Here I'm going to change the price also for the beverages. So I'm going to do 2.4. Here I put $2. Here 1.9. A bit psychological pricing here. Of course, it doesn't work in the simulation. And then 2.4. That's it. So that's gonna be my pricing. So that's it. I go to a action menu design. Go up here. This is the spaghetti and meatballs, and I will enter this price, 10.55. Okay. Fried chicken, 10.90. Fisherman platter, 16.5. Chicken parmesan, 90. Nachos, 10.15. Chicken tenderloin, 10.50. It's turkey. 10.70. Texas chili, 9.7. Of course, in reality, I would run this up. Can't be bothered. That's it. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot the beverages. Action, menu design, beverages, milk. It's going to be 2.4. Sorry, 4. 1.9 for the sodas. 2.5 for the chocolate. Okay. And then that's it. I'm going to now run to the following week. So watch the profit here. Profit was a loss. I've changed my pricing. That's it. Run the simulation, see what happens. Boom, that's it. Congratulations, you meet your goal 1 week. That's the way you do it. Bang.